as when it comes to Bengaluru is concerned, because this is coming across as a fresh twist to the road rage case. An Indian Air Force officer, Shiladitya Bose, who is on a social media video that has been talking about a claim that he was attacked and was verbally abused by a man who has now been booked on charges of attempt to murder and falsely claiming that he was assaulted by the biker for not speaking in Kannada in a road rage case. However, there are multiple videos that have now been highlighted that have been widely shared on social media showing it was Bose actually who was allegedly assaulting and thrashing the biker instead. According to the details, the FIR that was registered against Bose after a formal complaint was received by the police from the bike rider, who has also identified himself as Vikas. Now, the FIR against, when it comes to the IAF officer, that was registered under sections 109, 115, 304, 324 and 352 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Now, there has been a dramatic turn that has now come to light, which is conflicting with the claims that have been made both by the IAF officer and the biker involved in this case of road rage. The officer, who claims that he and his wife were verbally abused allegedly in Kannada, he says that he was punched with bike keys that struck on his head and even bitten on the finger during the scuffle, the altercation that happened. The biker, however, has been countering in his complaint, saying that he acted purely in self-defense. According to the biker, the officer kept on punching him, choked him, threatened to kill him and kicked him repeatedly in his face, even bit his hand and even snatched his phone. Now, when it comes to the different versions that are coming across, complaints from both sides that have been filed by the police, where they are scanning the CCTV footages as well.
ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿ ತಪ್ಪನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ? ಕಮಾಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೈ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ತಲೆಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೈಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ನಾವೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೂ ನಾವು ಆ ಥರ ಬೇಡ, ಇದೇನು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇವರು ಇದನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Now, as far as when it comes to the video that has also been shared on social media by this said IAF officer with a bloodied face, and he has been claiming that he was attacked. His wife was also verbally abused. But when it comes to the biker side, there is a completely different version to the same story. A view video, what we are told, has also emerged of this said assault. The man in the neon jacket is the said biker, and this is the IAF officer. As far as the altercation, the physical confrontation between the two seems to be happening. Now, what is being seen as far as this another video has emerged, Neha, it is first the IAF officer who seems to be charging towards the biker. Now, what is the real story?
Well, that's absolutely right, Amita. Of course, you know, if we're merely talking about the assault on ground right now, it's quite evident there. We've accessed CCTV footage from various angles and played that out as well earlier. Now, of course, it's evident here that, you know, it is the IAF officer and his wife who first approached the biker there. They've later, of course, you know, gone on to push his bike to the ground, assaulted him multiple times. In retaliation, you then have this biker, of course, you know, who's also then later gone on to try and attack this IAF officer. The whole time, you know, Madhumita, the wife of the IAF officer there, of course, you know, seems screaming and asking them to, you know, break off the fight. She's even tried to, of course, you know, intervene there. One thing that we do, of course, know is right after, you know, they both attacked each other, after there were blows that were exchanged on both sides, you know, you have a group of the public there, the locals who, of course, you know, gathered around. They have then tried to break up this fight, and they have managed to do it so successfully. Now, if we are to talk about the charges, while initially, of course, you know, it was the IAF officer who put out a video there on his socials, on his accounts as well, you know, suggesting that he was attacked, that he was made a victim. You know, contrary to this, of course, it does seem now that the videos that are emerging show the manner in which he first assaulted the biker. An attempt to murder case has been registered against him now at the Baipanhalli police station after immense pressure was mounted, not just on the police, but in fact, even on the IAF officer's family here, of course. Now that the police has registered an FIR of attempt to murder and other serious charges against him, it really remains to be seen the manner in which they would proceed. We're being told that the IAF officer would be summoned for questioning, following which legal action would follow.
All right, as far as many people through the CCTV footages that have also been scanned, but there are bystanders as well who were recording footages on their own mobile phones with regards to this physical confrontation that was taking place in the middle of the road. We have a reaction. Let's play that out.
मैं एक्चुअली इधर पीजी में रहता था, तो मेरे को कुछ आवाज़ें आने लगी, जैसे कि एक लेडी बहुत मतलब हैवी से रोने लगी, चिल्लाने लग रही है। तो मेरे को नहीं, मैं भागते हुए यार देखा तो स्पॉट में क्या हुआ था, एक स्विगी वाला बंदा था, वो बैंगलोर से ही था, कन्नड़ी का। तो उसका गाड़ी एक था टीवीएस का, वो यहाँ पे लेटा हुआ था। और जो ये बंदा था आर्मी ऑफिसर, वो आया, उसके मुंह पे इधर खून जा रहा था, जो आर्मी ऑफिसर है। तो वो उसको प्रॉपर ऐसे पकड़ के, वो हेलमेट पहना हुआ था स्विगी वाला बंदा, उसको ऐसे प्रॉपर पकड़ के मस्त मारने जा रहा है, मस्त मारने जा रहा है। मान लो कि 20 से 30 बार उसको पंच मारते ही गया, मारते ही गया, मारते ही गया।
उसने बोला कि मैं कन्नड़ी का हूँ, मैं देख लूंगा, इसमें कंप्लेंट में
वो नहीं पता मेरे को, बिकॉज मैं मिडिल ऑफ द मूवमेंट ज्वाइन किया था ना।
हाँ।
बट जब मैं ज्वाइन किया था तो तब ये जो आर्मी ऑफिसर था ना, उसके इधर खून जा रहा था।
However, there is another version as well, as far as the IAF officer's wife is also concerned, and saying that she was shocked and traumatized when this incident happened, as far as what is being also labeled as a road rage incident. Listen into what she said.
What do you like to say? What happened? Like, can you give us details of that?
Sorry, I cannot give you the details because I am a defense personnel and we have our channel through which we operate. So you can speak to the Air Force PRO who is in New Delhi. I don't have any, permission to talk, and we are very enraged and we are in a shock.
FIR has been registered, accused also been arrested. Are you?
I am not aware, but FIR I have registered, that is in Baipanahalli police station.
Are you happy, man, that accused has been arrested in this case?
I don't know. I don't. Actually, my phone is switched off, so I don't know.
I'm sorry, your husband is in.
He is presently in Calcutta. There's an operation of my father-in-law which is going to happen tomorrow.
Yeah.
So he's gone for that. He had to go for that actually.